Claudie cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Claudie cooks.
Hey foodies, welcome back to Claudie Cooks channel. Today I've got a beautiful creamy coconut rice pudding for you, and I'm going to add a bit of a Caribbean twist to it. That is going to be the twist. So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking. Woo-hoo! Let's make the rice pudding. Let's start off by adding the rice in the pot. All of the ingredients and quantities are in the description for you. We're going in with 1 tin of coconut milk, water, sugar, cinnamon, clove, some allspice, and some fresh nutmeg. I'm going to go in with about 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon, and some vanilla, salt. I'm going in with some zest from a lime, now let's get the fire on. I'm just going to give that a stir to combine all of the ingredients together, and then once it starts to boil, we're going to reduce the heat to low, and we are going to stir intermittently, anywhere from 30 minutes up to 40 minutes until it's getting nice and thick and creamy. Once it starts to boil, I'll be back. Now we're going to reduce the heat to low. I've got that down to 4. We're just going to leave this and let it cook, but don't forget to stir often. Look, can you see how creamy it's becoming? Stirring often. Right, I'm going to add 1/3 cup more coconut milk just to get it slightly bit softer. If you like it al dente, then you don't need to have any more milk in it, but I'm putting in just a little bit more just to get it a little bit more softer. Just going to stir that up. It is smelling heavenly right this minute. I want to eat it now, but of course I have to wait for the whole process. Absolutely delicious. This is almost ready. Another 2 minutes, this will be done. Right, time to take this off the heat. Fire off. Let's make the sorrel syrup. In is some washed sorrel. A beautiful vibrant color. In with some sugar, fresh ginger, some cloves, and some water. Just give that a little stir. Mix everything in, and once that's to boil, put the lid on and simmer it for 10 to 15 minutes until it's nice and thick and syrupy. So I will be back in 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, this is done. You see that it's reduced right down. So we're going to strain this out now. Right, I'm just going to put this away until we're ready to serve up this beautiful dessert. I almost forgot about this. This is totally optional. I'm just going to add a teaspoon of rum. Just going to do this to give it a little stir. Beautiful. Smells amazing. Let's serve up. right in with some rice pudding. It's really creamy coconut rice pudding. Now for this delicious rich sorrel syrup. Oh, generous amount over there. Just going to load it up some more, and with some more. It's delicious sorrel. Time for some toasted coconut shavings. Pop it proudly on the top there. In with a sprinkle of lime zest and a few mint leaves. You know what? I'm a bit extra, so I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of nutmeg over that as well. And there you have it, guys, my creamy coconut rice pudding with sorrel and toasted coconut on the top. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful color. You just know this is going to taste heavenly and indulgent. Enjoy.